Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to make pigmented lip gloss. Like, this lip gloss is pigmented. In my previous video I showed you all how I measure my gel and my oils, so I have already done that now and I'm mixing it together. And as I always said in my first video, mixing, it will take you a while until you get what you are looking for. So try to mix well. If you are interested in doing lip gloss, try to mix it well. Mix in the lip gloss, your pigment, your oil. Try to mix them in well to get what you are really going for. So that is what you're seeing me doing, mixing in everything very well. So now I'm going to put in my fragrant oil, and I was trying to get it out with the pipette and it was not working well, so I'll master it one day. But I eventually got it and it smells really nice, very well. And please mix it very well. Make sure it's mixed together. Every corner of your glosses, of your mixing bowl is well mixed together. That is what I'm trying to say. Mix your gloss very well. This is the beautiful pigmented color we are going for today. It's so pigmented and I was in love with this color. I am putting it in step by step because it was really pigmented. I didn't know whether I needed it that much pigment, but I love the color that I ended up putting in everything. So I mixed the color aside this time around because I wasn't sure of the color, how pigmented I wanted, so I mixed it with some oil aside and I was pouring it in little by little as I go. So you can do it like that whenever you're doing your lip gloss. You can also mix the colors and see how you like it before you add it into the gel. And that is what I was doing in this video. I was just mixing the colors little by little and seeing how much I want to go, how pigmented I want to go. But I ended up taking everything because the color was so beautiful. It really takes a while to get the consistency you are looking for, the pigment you are looking for. So mixing, that is all you got to do in your lip gloss. Mix. So I don't want to always take much out of the video from the mixing process, so that you guys will know that it really takes a while to get what you're looking for. So mix. All corners of your bowl have to be well mixed in. If not, you're going to get some parts pigmented and some parts looking lighter than the other if you don't mix well. This is what I got at the end. Very beautiful and very pigmented. So now I'm going to fill in my squeeze tubes. I was trying to use a smaller syringe this time around, but it wasn't working well at all. I was so struggling. The thing was not just getting inside the syringe. So I really recommend using the bigger one that I used in my first video. That one is more easier to use for a beginner. Please don't go for the smaller syringe. You will be struggling with filling your glosses. Although I ended up filling them, but it took a whole lot of time, and I don't really recommend it for a beginner. This is the beautiful color that we have inside the tube. It's so beautiful and it's so pigmented. I love it. It's sold out though, but you can still order it from my website. I am going to stock up very soon. If you have watched this video to this length, please press the red subscribe button, press the notification bell, like my video, share with friends, and come back for more how to learn lip gloss video. And I ended up filling up 6 tubes. I was tired, I decided to stop, but this is the beautiful color we got from this pigmented lip gloss. Thank you all for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching, and thank you for always coming back. I highly appreciate you all. God bless you. Until next time, bye.